Good day everyone. My name is John Andre Fernandez. My presentation is about fastener tubing and fittings in automotive system. Introduction. Fasteners, tubing, and fittings are essential components in automotive systems. They secure parts, enable fluid and airflow, and ensure safety and performance. This presentation will discuss their types, functions, and importance in vehicle operation. By gaining a deeper understanding of these components, we can better appreciate how they contribute to the overall reliability, durability, and efficiency of every vehicle. To better understand their role in the automotive field, this presentation will focus on three main objectives. The objectives of this presentation are: first, to identify the classifying types of fastener, tubing, and fittings used in automotive system. Second, to explain their function and importance in ensuring safety and performance. And third, to demonstrate proper handling and usage of these components. What are automotive fasteners? Automotive fasteners are tools such as bolts, washers, nuts, screw, rivet used to join different parts during car part manufacturing. They mechanically hold auto parts together for firm positioning. This broad definition of fastener classifies them into permanent and temporary types. After knowing their definition, let us now look at the 5 basic types of fasteners commonly used in automotive applications. Function and uses of automotive fasteners. Let us now look at the common types of fasteners used in automotive systems. First, bolts. Their main function is to provide strong clamping force. They are commonly paired with nuts to secure heavy automotive parts such as engines and chassis components. And second, washers. Washers distribute the load evenly, reduce wear, and protect surfaces. They are usually placed under bolts or nuts to prevent loosening. Third, nuts. Nuts function to lock bolts in place, preventing movement and ensuring vibration-resistant connections. And fourth, screws are designed to join lighter components with precision. They are often applied in dashboards, panels, and other small fittings, making assembly and disassembly easier. And the last one is rivets. Rivets are permanent fasteners used to join two or more parts securely. They are strong vibration resistant and ideal for application where a permanent bond is required, such as body panels, chassis parts, and brake linings. Unlike bolts or screw, rivets cannot be removed without damaging the joint, making them suitable for long-lasting automotive assemblies. Before we end, let us take a look at the key role of fasteners, tubing, and fittings in automotive system. To conclusion, fasteners, tubing, and fittings may be small parts, but they are essential in automotive system. Fastener like bolts, washers, nuts, screws, and rivets keep vehicle components securely in place. Tubing provides safe passage for fluids and air, while fittings ensure tight, leak-free connections. Together, they maintain safety, durability, and reliable performance in every vehicle. This ends my presentation on fastener, tubing, and fittings. Thank you for your attention.